something cool. How about a 1956A Outlaw? This is a really cool build. We didn't do it, but we did a lot of work to it to get it ready for sale. It's going on Bring a Trailer here probably next week or so. It's a 56A coupe, completely redone, absolutely no rust. It's got a 2-liter 914 style engine with a 911 fan shroud, Weber carburetors, special cams, special oiling system. It's got a Vic Skirmits transmission in it, short gears, which you guys know I love, and 4-wheel disc brakes, Boyd Coddington special wheels. Just a really, really cool car. The interior was all done by my good friend Tony Garcia out at Autobahn Interiors. Speedster seats, all full leather, Nardi steering wheel, gauges all done by Hollywood, North Hollywood Speedo. The best in the business did this car. Just a wonderful, wonderful build, and just handles great, shocks are great, does everything right. I mean, just get in it and go. Look how fast this thing just goes through corners. I mean, it just doesn't bounce around, just feels really solid, planted, and just a blast to drive. I mean, this car just does it right. Just really fun, really a lot of fun. We'll let him go. We'll go this way. But goes right up to 6,000 RPM. No problem. Just goes through a corner. Look at this thing. Like it's on rails. I mean, this thing will outhandle most 911s. Look how much fun this is. Picture yourself driving this thing. I mean, just a wonderful car. I can't say enough good things about it. It just handles so well. Engine sounds great. You know, it just feels really good. We did all the servicing on it, went through the entire car, got it all fresh and ready for the sale. Doesn't need a thing. Everything works properly, including the interior light, which is really rare. But this thing just pulls through a corner, handles well, goes into the corner, and you don't have to worry about a thing. Look at this, just unbelievable. How cool is this? Just really cool. I mean, you open up the engine bay and you look inside. It's got the 911 fan on it, which really makes it look cool. It just looks like a little race car. So different. It's got special oiling system in it. Just all the right stuff. No radio, by the way. You don't need a radio when you're driving this car, although it does have a USB port so you can plug into it. It's been converted to 12 volt, obviously. So, here we go. Come on, man, this is a great car. Look at this thing. Listen to it go. Woo-hoo! Yee-haw! One more lap. Look at this. Goes through the corner. It's probably the hardest this car has ever been driven. I mean, all new, I mean, no rust at all in this car. Everything is new on it. Everything. Everything you can think of. fun or what? And then you just cruise right along. No drama. I'm hauling ass through here for a little car like this. Doing 70 miles an hour. That's pretty good, right? Not so bad. Well, get your checkbooks out. It's coming to Bring a Trailer, and you could be the proud owner of this bad boy and have a ball. One of a kind, one of a kind. Enjoy. Have happy bidding.